Welcome back to the channel TechTube. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to connect your Spotify account to your OnlyFans account. Now let's initiate the process. Do note I've already logged into my account. In case you have not, do it right now. The process is quite easy. Now, let's simply try to go to settings. At the top right, you're gonna see your profile picture right there. Click on it. And once you guys do that, this page will open up. From here, as you guys can see, there are lots of options. But right now, all you guys need to do is focus on this button called as settings. Click on it. Now guys, this is it. From here, as you guys can see, here's profile, accounts, privacy and safety and everything. And right now, all you guys need to do is stay right here in this profile section. From here, simply scroll down to the very bottom. And right here, you can see something called as additional info. And just below it, you can see a button that says Spotify account. Click on it. Now this is it. Simply click on this green button that says sign in with Spotify. And once you do that, it's gonna prompt you to sign in to your Spotify account. In my case, the Spotify account was already logged into this browser. Well guys, this is it. This is how you add your Spotify account or simply link it with your OnlyFans account. The process is quite easy. If you guys found this video informative, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. We're gonna be uploading more videos like this pretty soon. So until next time, thank you.